I'm going to show you how to find new programs on the ShareASale network. I'm Greg Hoffman with Apogee. I'm going to show you first how to find the programs that we manage, and that's going to be on our website, apogeeagency.com, and then we're going to click over here to Our Clients. Now, right now, all of our programs are exclusive to the ShareASale network, and so all you have to do is just go to this page and scroll down and find each program that we manage. You can learn more. We're going to go to the Sears Parts Direct page, and then you can join right here. So this is going to take you directly to the ShareASale network, and this is our login page on ShareASale. Now, let's get back over to the ShareASale homepage. This is my affiliate account, and I'm going to show you how to find merchants in ShareASale. So right now, we're going to click on Merchants. We're going to click Search for Merchants, and then that's going to bring us to this page. So we could look for merchants many different ways, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways right now, and that's looking for new programs, looking for them by the power rank, but most importantly, looking for them by category. Now, I'm going to stress this so much right now. I want you to look for programs that are relevant to what you like, to what your theme is, to what your website is all about. I don't want you to just join programs because they're at the top of the power rank or that you just think you're going to make money at some point. Join the programs that you think you're going to be able to impact immediately. That's me as an affiliate manager because I have to approve and decline applications all the time. So let's start looking for, first we'll look at new programs. Let's look there. So I'm going to click New Programs. And what I want you to do is I want you to look at the programs over the last 30 days. And then over here, I want you to look at either their 7-day EPC or their power rank. We're going to look at power rank first. So these are new programs on the last 30 days and how they rank in the network. And some of them are actually starting to rank. You can see that. 47 brand, well, that's a pretty good brand. I do like their hats and their jerseys. They're already ranked 544. And let's see a little bit more about them. Let's see when they joined. They joined October 17th, 2018. That wasn't too long ago. And doesn't look like they have any information about who manages the program, but they do have some good statistics so far. They've got a 45-day average sale, $2.43 for average commission. They've got good EPC, 7-day cookie, that's not great. Conversion rate, 3.5 is not too bad. This is going to be a big brand. This is going to be a big program in 2019. We can come back and look at that. But that's how you look for the new programs. You look at them through 30 days or 7 days, and you look at their power rank to see how they're doing. And you scroll down a little bit more, and you're going to start to see that a lot of them are 1,000 plus. That probably means they haven't earned a lot of money yet. So we can keep going, but these are the new programs. And they're worth checking out, but don't join all of them. So let's go back over here, look at merchants, search for merchants, and then we're going to look for power rank. Now, the power rank is going to, oh, look, Fanatics is #1 right now. Good for them. Good job, Wade and Joe. So they're #1. That is, the power rank is an algorithm that ShareASale has that is based on how much volume is going through the program, how much they're paying affiliates, and how much the network actually earns. So I don't want you to just join these programs. Yes, they work, but they also have to be relevant to you. If you've got sports sites or you've got sites that are relevant to the Fanatics brands, then yes, join that program because obviously other affiliates are making money from them. But scroll through here and just look for the programs that are relevant to you and that you think you can make an impact in. And there's my friend over at Jane Affiliates. They've got a good program in the top 50. So it's not a guarantee that you're going to make money just because they're in the top 50 or the top 100 or even the top 1,000. We do have some programs that are in the top 1,000 that affiliates are making a lot of money with, but they're not the greatest programs in the network. Now, this is how I want you to look. I want you to look at the categories. So where do we want to start? We want to start at automotive because I know we've got some in automotive. So number one, right here, there it is, Eckler's Corvette. That's one of our programs. So if you are in the automotive industry, if you are a gearhead, if you like these type of programs, you like this type of product, you have buyers that are ready to buy Corvette products or car covers, or scroll down, even recon truck accessories. That's another one of ours. If you've got customers that love those type of products, this is where you find those type of programs, and then you look and you see how well they're doing. You look at the percentage of sale, you look at the EPC, you look at their power rank, and you see who manages them. And I think that's the most important. If you don't see anybody managing the program, if there's no signature there, maybe they don't have a management team, maybe they don't have anyone in charge, and you might not have the greatest success. I feel you're going to have the best success with managed programs. So that's just a quick little update on how to find programs. I'm always here to help you find the right programs, especially if they're our programs over here on apogeeagency.com/clients. If you have any questions, we will answer everything here on our YouTube channel. Our job is to teach affiliates how to be better affiliates and how to promote the programs we manage. Please click the thumbs up on the video and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in joining our programs on the ShareASale network, click the link to visit our website.